want to add this text over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that we are in the text editor widget. We have the settings for the content over here, for the style over here, and for the advanced over here. So let's go back to content. Over here we can add our content. Let's duplicate this one, like so. We can drop cap from over here. We can select columns from over here, like so, and the column gap, like so. Over here we can use AI. We can use AI settings for the text that we have from over here, or we can click over here to new prompt and describe what we want to achieve from over here, and then click on generate text. Let's go to style. We have the alignment over here, like so. The color, we can use global colors from over here, or custom one from over here, like so. The opacity from over here. Typography, we can use global fonts from over here, or custom one from over here. We have font family over here. Okay, the size from over here, the weight from over here, transform from over here, style from over here, decoration from over here, the line height from over here, letter spacing and word spacing from over here. Let's click on this icon over here in order to go back to default. We have the option for text shadow from over here. We can change the color from here, the opacity from over here, the blur from over here, the horizontal distance and the vertical distance, and the paragraph spacing, like so. We also have some advanced settings from over here. We can see that we have a padding set to percentage to 25 to right. That's why we have this space over here.